What's going on YouTube? Just doing some late night printing here. Coming at you 2nd of January. What I'm doing here is I'm going to do a 4-color print with 3 screens, and I just wanted to show you how I do that. Maybe it'll come in handy for you. Before we get started, I just want to remind you, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you're liking my content, also check out my other screen print tips and tricks videos. I have a bunch of stuff on my channel, so don't forget to check that out. I hope everybody had a great year, another year of getting money. I hope everybody had a good year as far as printing goes. So let's get into it. So as you can see here, what I'm doing is I'm lining up my first screen. It's going to be the white, also the underbase, throwing that on a test shirt here. This is going to be my 2-color screen, and as you can see in the bottom, I try not to waste any screen space, so I have that for another order. And this color here, this is going to be my blue, which is just a single color. So what I'm doing here, I'm masking off the part that I'm going to do the separate color. And as you can see in the middle of the screen, that's the little part that's going to go a different color, which is going to be kind of like a forest green type color. And the reason I didn't want to do a whole screen just for that little piece is just because it's so small. I didn't want to waste a screen just for that one little color. So everything else is going to go red, and that little color there is going to go like that forest type green. So there's a few different reasons we're going to do 2 colors on one screen. The first is to save screens. The second reason is it's going to save flash time. Okay, the more flash time you save, the more print time you save, the more you can print during the day, which in turn means more money. So anytime I can save a screen, I'll definitely do that. So this method here also can work for bigger images. It just can't overlay. Like for example, right here you have Digital Creative Institute. If digital's 1 color, you can do creative, you can do a different color, and then Institute, all can be 3 different colors on the same screen if you wanted to do that. See, so this is going to be another little trick here. As you can see there, I had a pinhole. What you're gonna do is, if you see a pinhole coming through, you're gonna flash your shirt, you're gonna bring it back, you're gonna put your piece of tape on the pinhole itself, not the screen. Put the piece of tape on the pinhole with sticky side up, and then you're gonna put your screen on top of it and just press down. The reason for that is I found throughout time, I'm looking for pinholes. I see the pinhole on the shirt. I'm looking for pinholes in the screen, and I don't see it. And I'm moving the screen in the light, trying to get it. I don't see it, so I'm just kind of estimating where it is. Tape it up, give it another pass, and that pinhole's still there. So this works a lot better, saves a lot of time. Just throw that tape on the pinhole itself. Just make sure it's flashed before you do, and there you go. And there it is, a 4-color print with 3 screens. I hope this can help you out, any future orders you're doing. Also, this is gonna help if you only have 3 screens and you're doing a 4-color print. That's gonna save you a lot of time with exposing another screen. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Check out my other videos.